In this video, I will show you how to use wide angle on Snapchat. So let's dive in. Now, as you can see, I don't have access to this feature. So what you can do, just go on Play Store and App Store and update Snapchat to its latest version. After that, if it doesn't show up, just click on your profile icon on top left corner. And after that, go to settings by clicking on top right corner. Now scroll down until you see support and feedback. Click on bugs and suggestions. Go to report a bug, select camera, click on select topic and select camera features. Now click on select. Alright, now here type my account doesn't have access to the ultra wide camera feature. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. After that, click on submit and Snapchat will fix this problem. Now alternatively, what you can do, just go back to your camera page, click on explore, type on the search bar ultra wide lens. Okay. Now here, select any one of these lenses. I'm going with this one. Now this is not effective, but yeah, it will create an illusion like ultra wide lens. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.